Introduction. In March 2018, former President Donald Trump announced significant tariffs on imported steel and aluminium. Citing national security concerns, this decision sent ripples through global markets, prompting various nations, including Australia, to respond swiftly to mitigate potential economic impacts. This report examines the ramifications of these tariffs on Australia and the government's strategic responses. Background of the tariffs. Trump's administration imposed a 25% tariff on steel imports and a 10% tariff on aluminium. Affecting numerous countries, the move aimed to protect U.S. manufacturing industries, but it raised concerns internationally, as many countries, including Australia, are major exporters of these metals to the U.S. Impact on Australia. 1. Economic consequences. Export vulnerability. Australia is one of the largest suppliers of steel and aluminium to the U.S. The tariffs threaten to reduce export volumes, impacting local producers and potentially leading to job losses in these sectors. Ripple effects on related industries. The tariffs also had broader implications for industries reliant on steel and aluminium, such as construction and automotive manufacturing, potentially increasing costs and affecting competitiveness. 2. Market reactions. Stock market volatility. The announcement led to fluctuations in Australian stock markets, particularly affecting companies involved in steel and aluminium production. Supply chain disruptions. Australian businesses faced uncertainty regarding supply chains, prompting concerns about rising raw material costs and availability. Government response. 1. Diplomatic engagement. Negotiations with the U.S. The Australian government sought to engage diplomatically with the U.S. to negotiate exemptions or reduced tariffs. High-level discussions were held to advocate for Australian interests. Bilateral relationships. Australia emphasized the importance of its trade relationship with the U.S., framing itself as a close ally and a key partner in the Asia-Pacific region. 2. Support for affected industries. Financial assistance. The government explored options for providing support to affected industries, including financial assistance and programs aimed at enhancing competitiveness. Market diversification. Efforts were made to help Australian producers diversify their markets, reducing reliance on U.S. exports and seeking opportunities in other regions. 3. Public communication. Transparency with stakeholders. The government communicated openly with industry stakeholders, providing updates on negotiations and potential impacts, ensuring businesses were informed and prepared for changes. 4. Long-term strategic planning. Investment in innovation. Australia focused on investing in technology and innovation within the steel and aluminium sectors to enhance competitiveness and resilience against future trade disruptions. Trade policy review. The tariffs prompted a broader review of Australia's trade policies, encouraging a more proactive stance in international trade negotiations. Conclusion. The announcement of steel and aluminium tariffs by the Trump administration prompted significant concern in Australia, leading to swift governmental responses aimed at mitigating economic impacts. Through diplomatic engagement, support for affected industries, and strategic planning, Australia sought to navigate the challenges posed by these tariffs. While the long-term effects of the tariffs are still unfolding, the situation highlighted the interconnectedness of global trade and the need for robust strategies to adapt to shifting economic landscapes. Recommendations. Continued diplomatic efforts. Australia should maintain strong diplomatic channels with the US and other trading partners to address trade tensions effectively. Strengthening domestic industries. Investment in domestic industries, particularly in innovation and technology, will be crucial for enhancing competitiveness in the global market. Market diversification strategies. Expanding trade relationships with other countries can help mitigate risks associated with reliance on a single market and enhance economic resilience. By taking these steps, Australia can better position itself to respond to future trade challenges and capitalize on new opportunities.